Today we shall discuss some typical problems on coordinate geometry and particularly the chapter on circle. So our first problem is the number of common tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 16 equals to 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Which option is correct? The number of common tangents to the two circles. So, how we find the common tangents? First, we should discuss if two circles touch externally. Two circles touch externally. Touch externally means if there is a center C1 and this is the center C2. One radius is R1, R2. If two circles touch externally, what is the condition? Two circles touch externally. Touch externally means this figure, that is distance between the centers must be equal to sum of the radius. R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. How many common tangents? Here is a tangent like this. This is one common tangent. This is one tangent. So number of common tangents is 3. Another case is that the two circles may touch internally. What will be the figure? Touch internally. Like this. Suppose here is a circle. We'll center this, and the circle will touch this center is R1 and this center is C1, C2 and this radius is R2. If they touch internally, then distance between the centers must be equal to difference of the radii. So, in case if the two circles touch externally, distance between the centers must be equal to sum of the radius, and touch internally, then distance between the centers is equal to difference of the radii. So, to find the number of common tangents, first you have to check whether the two circles touch externally or internally or does not touch. How many common tangents are there? Therefore, you have to find it. So here only one common tangent is this. Only one. Here there are 3 common tangents and this is the number of common tangents is 1. And if they don't touch, number of common tangents will be 4. So let us discuss in the next page. To find the number of common tangents to two circles, we should know the following. Let C1 and C2 be the centers of two circles and R1, R2 their radius. Now, if the two circles touch externally, then C1, C2 must be equal to R1 plus R2. Number of common tangents equal to 3, we have shown earlier. Now, if the two circles touch internally, C1 should be equal to R2 minus R1. Number of common tangents will be 1. And if they don't touch, then number of common tangents will be 4. So, you are given the equation of two circles. First, we find the center and radius of the two circles. How to find the center and radius? Let us remind it. How to find the center and radius of a circle. if you have a circle, equation of a circle like this, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2fy, the c equals to 0, equation of this type. So the center will be, center is our coordinates of the center will be minus g minus f, and radius, the formula for the radius is root over of radius equal to root over of g square plus f square, g square plus f square minus c. So for the first equation, what will be the first? We divide the coefficient of x by 2 and change the sign. So the center will be, in case of first one, the center will be 2, 3. Radius is the root over this g square plus f square minus c. Radius equal to 5. For the next circle, let center equal to minus c minus 1 minus 9 and radius equal to 8. Now we find c1, c2 means distance between the centers, that is distance between the 2 points, that is the 13. And sum of the radius is 13. So c1, c2 is equal to the sum of the radius, that is the two circles touch externally. So by our previous theory, just we know the number of tangents will be 3. So the correct option is C. Next problem is, if one of the diameters of the circle given by the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the chord of the circle S whose center is minus c2. Then the radius of the circle S is, 4 options are given, which one is correct? What you are given? One of the diameters of the circle given by the equation of this circle is this. So first you find the center and radius of the given circle. Then you find, you are given that another circle is there, S whose center is given, and you have to find the radius. We have to find the radius of the circle S. So let us come to the figure. In our diagram, the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Just now, we have discussed how to find the center. So center is our 2 minus 3 and radius is our 5. So this is given 2 minus 3 and radius is our, radius of this circle is our 5. Now, if you complete the figure, now center of the circle is 2 minus and this. Now by our problem, we have that joining figure and S is the circle. You are given the circle S whose center is minus C2. That is center of the circle is P minus C2. Also, AB is the chord of the circle S. That is the diameter of this circle is the chord of the circle S. So, AB is the chord of the circle S. So, if we drop a perpendicular, that is if we join P and C, that will bisect this chord. Bisect this chord AB. So, the coordinates of C, you are given 2 minus 3. And we know that this CP is perpendicular and this is C is the midpoint of AB. What do we want? We want the radius of the circle S. Radius of the circle S means that is AP. We have to, radius of the circle means AP. How to find AP? Now first, we know that AC is equal to the radius of the given circle. What is our AP? That is equal to 5. So look at this triangle. A, PC. So we can write AP squared is equal to, AC squared plus CP squared. You find, AC equal to, we know that AC equal to 5, so AC squared is 25. Next you have to find PC, that is distance between these 2 points. So root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, that is 5 root 2. So from this diagram, AP square is equal to AC square plus PC square, that is HP square is equal to 75. So AP is equal to root over 75. So radius of the circle S, that is our AP, that is equal to 5 root 3. So the correct option is B. Thank you.